5, and for today's video I'm here with Paisley, and it is officially music festival season, which means it's time for music festival fashion. So for today's video, Paisley and I are going to be showing you how to make this really adorable wrap skirt for your American Girl doll, and the best part about this tutorial is that it is no sews. So this tutorial requires no sewing at all, so if you don't have any sewing background or you just don't want to sew and you're feeling lazy, this DIY is perfect for you. If you want to know how to make this really adorable wrap skirt for your American Girl doll, just keep on watching. To make this wrap skirt, you'll need a garment with a finished edge, such as a tank top like I'm using here, a t-shirt, or even some skirts. You'll just have to make sure that it has a folded hem so that we can use it to make a casing. You'll also need a pair of scissors and some safety pins. I started by cutting the straps off my tank to use in the skirt. However, you can cut a strip of fabric from the garment or use ribbon or any other string for the waistband. It should be about 20 inches in length. Grab your doll and place her at the waist of the finished edge of the garment. Decide how long you want the skirt to be and then cut this length. You may need to add more if you decide to hem the skirt, but I didn't, just to keep this DIY completely no sew. Depending on how wide your garment is or how much fabric you have will depend on if you need to use the full thing or not. My top was pretty wide, so I only used 1/2. Either way, you'll have to make sure it is a flat rectangle and not a loop. Take your waistband string and feed it through the hem of the skirt, which will now become the waistband of the skirt. When you reach the ends, even out the gathers on the skirt and then you're done. If you want, you can make a seam with safety pins like I'm doing here by facing the skirt right sides together and pinning the area that you want sewn. I did this so that the leg slit wouldn't be as long. If you need to cut the hem to be even, go ahead and do that. To dress the doll, slide the skirt on the waist and pull the strings to make it tight, and then tie it into a bow. To top off this festival look, I added some star stickers for makeup, a lace bralette, and styled the hair in 2 braids with flower clips from Claire's. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this and other American Girl doll videos, such as hairstyle videos, other sewing tutorials, outfit videos, and more. And if you decide to recreate this skirt, I would love to see a picture of it, so be sure you tag me in a picture on Instagram. My Instagram is @DollyDelights, just like how it is spelled here on my channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon in my next one. Bye! I know you want it.